Happy Sunday. So I think today we're gonna do a little Sunday reset. I'm feeling like I've been relaxing all week, meaning I haven't worked out. So yeah, clean, organize, but first, breakfast. So I've made the iced coffee and now I'm gonna make some matcha latte. And I put it in here. This could be terrible or it could be genius. What just happened? So now I have to cut them all. Great. All done. I can't stand when that happens. It's like I was kind of waiting for them to grow out a little bit longer to paint them. Oh well, whatever. I mean, not perfect timing, but if they break, might as well be now that I'm about to clean. Okay, you gotta look at the bright things in life, okay? Anyway, it's fine. So we're going to do, I already kind of been cleaning and organizing. I just didn't film it, but now I'm gonna do the, I did the organizing. Now I'm gonna do the cleaning and wiping down of things. It's about to be 3. I was kind of waiting for the sun not to be blazing because I do want to go for a walk. I just want to be outside for a little bit before it gets dark. Because I haven't been outside like at all day. I mean, I just stepped outside for a second. That's why I'm here by the door. It's so nice. It's like just nice and warm and oof. Let's see how quickly I can do my little reset. So my eye has been like twitching a lot. Ew, I hate that. If you know, you know.
You stick to me like glue. Try to listen, but all that keep coming. Try to listen, but all that keep coming. I'm going crazy, I don't know what I should do. I keep dipping, but you stick to me like glue. I try to listen, but all that keep coming. I try to listen, but all that keep coming. I'm going crazy, I don't know what I should.
I just finished eating. I have created a mess in my hair. I'm trying to make it not so brassy, okay? Let me take it out of this. And so I just wanted to take down the brassiness. And now it made it sort of like blue. Like it fixed a lot of it, but these front pieces, I think I had just left it on way too long. And now I have to fix that, which is fine. I have the stuff, but oh my gosh. I mean, it helps a little bit with the brassiness, but I just need to stop touching. Like, look at that. That looks terrible. I'm gonna fix it and update you. But yeah, I definitely just left it on way too long and it made it like a bluish gray. I don't know if I'm fixing it today or tomorrow. Probably later, right before I take a shower and wash my hair. But I mean, if I tuck it kind of like behind my ear and stuff, you can't really tell. Fake it till you make it. But I'm like, dude, I can't win with this. It's mainly just like this one little part, but anyway. Okay, well, we're gonna go on a walk soon because it's 4 o'clock and I've actually not even reached 1,000 steps today. That's freaking crazy. I've even with like the cleaning I've done and things like that, I've been sitting a lot, so yeah, I'm excited for the walk. And that's really it. I'll update you on my hair at some point. Happy Sunday! Going on a walk. My eye, it's still twitching. Stop it. So I absolutely love this brow flick thing, but it's so expensive. And I remembered that I had a gift card from Christmas from a coworker, and we're gonna use it. So I'm getting this, and obviously I want to get to the free shipping, so I got this Benetint. It's like a lip oil, and also you can use it as a blush, so I'm excited to try that. Pero bueno, for now, just gonna check out and get that. And again, for the free shipping, I needed to get to the free shipping. I wanted to, rather. So I got 2 of these. So I'll have a new one and a backup. And this lasts me so long, so. I'm back from Target. I had an Amazon package, so I wanted to show you what I got. I got a car mount holder so that I can put my phone up and not have to hold it, or, you know, look it up, pick it up, whatever, if I need directions. I got a necklace chain, but it's too small, so I have to return it. Some acne pimple patches, which this was like $5 and it had amazing reviews. It actually came with in here, really, really cute packaging. And it came with this, which was cool, and a little card. Definitely will try them out and leave a review. But I really wanted to try this also because the ones I get are called, I don't remember, I'll have to show you after. But this has tea tree oil, which is great, and also it just brings so many, whereas the other one I have brings like, I don't know, not enough for what I have to go through. Then I got this blackhead remover strips things. I'm gonna do today after I take a shower. And beauty makeup sponges, because it's time to change my current one. Okay, this is the other one, Mighty Patch, that cost way more than the other one. And I'll compare the ingredients later, but yeah.